What you doing? What you doing? You okay? What was you doing? She starts to behave when I pull the camera out. Before I pulled the camera out, she was all lifting my legs, going under my legs, acting like she wanted attention. Like she probably was like, oh, you didn't show me enough attention today, so pet me, pet me. Now that I pulled the camera out, no, but she does want to show off though. She's still, oh, yep. That playful energy, there it is, there it is, there it is. There it is. There's the energy she was coming with. That playful energy. But she was lifting my legs, going underneath my legs. I guess I didn't show her enough attention today. Sometimes it's weird because sometimes she does that type of stuff when she has to go to the bathroom too, or when she goes outside. I mean, not when she goes outside. When she needs to go outside or wants to go outside. Like when she really gotta go to the bathroom. Or she does it when she wants more attention. So now I'm putting the camera on her and she's not completely at the way she was. She was like, you're not about to catch me in 4D. Oh, wait. Oh. Sorry. I stand corrected. Chanel. Why are you looking my... Come on now. What's up? What's up? Yep. Oh. Down. Good girl. That's how you feel? You done? You done? That he is? The blank stare, I tell you. The blank stare. I wonder if she'll get out if I told her out. Because sometimes she likes to be stubborn. Chanel, out. 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 Yeah, she's having a stubborn moment. She's like, why? But at the same time, she could tell I'm not being serious too. She knows when I put on that serious tone. Or sometimes when I change to saying out now. Or when I just say now. Then she'll go. Let's see if it works. Chanel, out now. Now. Yep, and that's how it works. Chanel, come. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. I was just showing a little bit how you operate. I don't know if it's weird to say, but I'm pretty sure other pet owners can understand me when I say it's like, it's not even just about the whole training aspect. I feel like to a certain extent, it's about understanding how your pet responds to things, or how, I don't even know if I'm making any sense right now, but let me know. Am I making any type of sense when I say that? It's like she could pick up when I'm playing or using the playing tone or when I'm not being that serious. But once I kick in that tone that means I'm being serious right now, or when I use certain words, when she knows that I'm really being serious, that's when she listen. Not saying that she don't listen, but sometimes, as you just saw, she has her stubborn moments. So there's that. But overall, she's a good girl. She is a good girl. Let's see if I could get a better response now. Chanel, out. Chanel. Chanel. You chasing flies? I feel like there's a fly in here and she's probably trying to get it. She's good for that. Chanel, out. Out. So she checking my temperature. She don't know if I'm being serious or what. Like, can I? No. Are you serious? Nope. I'm staying in here. Out. She's a good girl. When she feels like I'm not being serious, she's checking my temperature. She's good with doing that. She's checking my temperature. Like, I know when you're being serious. If you actually mean for me to get out, you're gonna get a bit more stern. But it's like sometimes if I tell you to do it the first time, do it. But that's what I'm saying. With understanding how she operates, it's like she knows when I get serious, that's when she's definitely gonna do it. Chanel, out. Okay, that one, no. Now let me try out now. Chanel, out now. No, trying to butter up to me. This is what I call the buttering up. She's like, no, don't send me out. Now let me try just saying now. Chanel, now. Now. Still checking my temperature. Now let's try using both. Chanel, out now. And that's what does it. Oh, you see that? She still didn't go out. What did I say? Chanel, out now. Now. She knows how I'm playing, y'all. And that's the part that cracks me up. It's like she knows what I'm playing.